Hey everyone, Matt here. So today we're going to be starting our second honey harvest of the 2017 season, where we're going to be processing these 4 boxes here. We installed our Vortex bee escapes in a previous video, and I'll put a card up that links to that. In that card I'll also have the link to our first honey harvest video, where it shows all the equipment that I use and my process. Because in this video I won't really go too much into that. I'll just show the highlights from this harvest. If you look online for how long to leave one of these bee escapes on, you get a variety of answers. Anywhere from you leave it on for the same amount of days as how many supers you have on, so this one we'd leave on for 2 days or 48 hours, or to you just leave it on overnight. When they say just overnight, it's usually dependent on how low the temperature gets at night and whether those bees will move down to the brood nest area to cluster overnight. So last night it was 13 degrees Celsius, a high of 25, 26 during the day. So they might have all migrated down there. But we did put these on about 40 hours ago. I was gonna take them off just after one day, 24 hours, but there was high winds and there was chance of thunderstorm at that time, so it would have been a bad time to do that. Have bees everywhere, they get all crazy. So let's get into it. Yeah, so about same as last time. Maybe about 10 in here, 10 or so. So yeah, maybe 10, 15, 20 in this one, 20 more bees. So let's go in for a close-up and we'll see how many bees are clustered underneath the bee escapes. Oh no, not really any on that one, hey? Not like in our first honey harvest video where they were all clustered underneath there, but that was just after one night. So maybe there is a difference there.
Or maybe because it was their second time having the escape on, that they've figured out how to get back up through it.
Now let's check out the other one. Whoop. Oh, see now this one, yeah, that's what the other one was like. Big cluster down there, trying to get in there.
We go how could we run from everything we have done? It only takes us one more step to run. We go how could we run from everything we have done? It only takes us one more step. We go how the reason she stands. We go how the reason she's so far away. We go how the reason she stands. We go how the reason she
So we're done out here. Now all we need to do is take everything in the garage and then extract it.
We go how could we run from everything we have done? It only takes us one more step to run. We go how could we run from everything we have done? It only takes us one more step. We go how the reason she stands. We go how the reason she's so far away. We go how the reason she stands. We go how the reason she
So it's about 9 o'clock at night and the sun's about to go down. All the bees have went back into their hives, which is a perfect time to put on some wet supers.
She's so far away.
Okay, so the harvest total this time is 37.52 kilograms. So that's 27.06 kilograms in this full bucket here and 10.46 kilograms in this bucket. So that's a total of 82.7 pounds. So if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching.